connection was good.
Yeah.
What up, people? What up?
Wagwan.
What a going?
Show the footman standing up.
Oh, Wagwan. Let me show now what we there. May I try to turn around? Touch it right now. Oh, no, can't see. There's the Eiffel Tower. Yeah. And some naked statue. Yeah.
Them a poor sexy man.
Let me show them one with a little penis.
One little tiny.
One little tiny. Look.
I'm gonna probably run you around. Like
Look on that. You know see?
I want to tingle that.
Well, it's one like a tingle. Yeah, tingle. Feel like a tingle. There goes the Eiffel Tower. It's not that cold out today. Yesterday was colder. Let's turn it around. Probably. Oh, no,
Yesterday was colder. Wagwan.
Wagwan. What a guan. Wagwan, my people. Yes.
Here?
We're in Paris. Paris. Otherwise known as Paris.
Welcome to Paris.
Welcome to Paris. Yes. Oh, so.
Parlez-vous français?
Bonjour. Oh, look at pigeon. We can boil some pigeon soup. Look on here. My nails have killed me with this thing. Yeah.
No,
Pigeon soup.
Pigeon soup.
No want some pigeon soup. No want some pigeon soup.
Pigeon soup.
Yeah. The man, them no want up on camera, Baba. No want up on camera, Baba. I just sweep, Baba. So, it's kind of nippy.
Yeah.
It's not too cold, but may I feel it here now. The wind kind of come in. Yes.
And it's cloudy.
We're leaving from here and we're going to the Alma Bridge. Cause
yes, the
Alma Bridge. We're gonna put some locks on the bridge with our names and the Bridge of Love. And of course, we're gonna put a lock on that bridge with Planka Boss name on it. DMG. We're gonna start off the little tribute from Paris. You understand? Yes.
Hello.
How are you?
Hello.
Say hello. Say Planka Boss. Planka Boss. DMG to the world. DMG to the Yes.
Tu parles anglais? Tu parles anglais? Do you speak English?
Yes.
Who do you think the most attractive person in this square
Where
is?
are all these little young cuties from? Where are all these little young cuties from? Surrounding us.
Come on
No.
Bonjour.
Yes. So we leave for our next country tomorrow. So when we're in next country, we're gonna have more time. We're gonna be there for what? 5 days in another the other country?
We were exploring Paris.
Yes. So
that's why we didn't come on earlier. We were exploring Paris.
Right.
So we are gonna take on today.
Take on today. And then when we get to the other country tomorrow, we're going to have more time there. So we'll come and spend more time with you guys. Yes, but we don't have too many days here.
No.
So we decided to come and show you up front and personal the Eiffel Tower right here. Let's Vanilla, you have to do it for me. Right there in your face, right there. It's the Eiffel Tower. Very close to it.
What you say?
Yeah, I don't want to drop.
No.
Yeah. Let me read some of the comments there. I can't see. Oh, let me get my phone. I want them to see me. See the wall of me. Take care of them. Oh, Paris.
Hold on. Let me turn it around.
Microphone. Microphone. Yes. Yes. Oh my God. You guys. Yes. So this is it. All this because me I get a little nippy. I put on my scarf because my neck cold.
Parlez-vous français? Welcome to Paris.
Yes, I get a little coat, I get a little nippy, people. Yeah. I get
Yes,
a little
getting cool.
nippy. I get a little nippy, so.
We're going to walk up a little bit closer.
Yeah, I can go all the way down. Yeah. Yeah. Boy, yes, Lord. A little bit better. Whoa. Yeah. But alright. Yeah. I have to hold it up. Yeah. The Eiffel
Eiffel Tower.
Yeah. I'm hungry now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Beautiful, my love. Give me a kiss. Don't turn your camera around here. He said no, I'm going to like. Give me a little choke. Alright. Okay, you want. Alright, give me a little chips for the life. Then. Turn.
Hold on. Let me pull it out. Okay.
Why
Go
you
on,
have to come
shoot.
all up in the
I was zoomed into the Eiffel Tower. Oh.
Oh, God.
Choco, what's wrong with you?
My nails, man. I don't know, I should have cut them now. Can't function.
Can't do it.
Yes. Oh, no good? All is good, my beautiful people.
Yes.
Oh, no good?
Hope everybody's blessed.
Hope everybody blessed. Let me see if I can see the comment. Belinda,
What happened to your-
it now move. Oh, let me get my phone.
That's what you were going to do.
Yeah, around my neck, the backside. Yeah, let me come see what I say. Yeah, let me come see what I say. You know the thing. What we there? Chocolate and vanilla. Here we are, right. Elaine Cooper.
Elaine
What's
Cooper.
up? National, big up yourself.
National.
Big up
Big up.
yourself, yes. Crisida. I hope me say it right and don't beat me up for call your name wrong. You hear?
Cressida.
Yeah. Patricia. Big up yourself.
Patricia. Bravo. Marcia.
No, we're not in New York. We're in Paris. Yeah, we're in Paris.
We're in Paris.
Marcia. Althea.
Althea. Big up
Big up yourself.
Big up.
Barrett.
Kings
Big
and
up
queens.
yourself. Novelet Williams. Big up
Novelet.
yourself. Big up yourself,
Nancy.
Queen.
Gillette.
Big up yourself.
Virginia.
Big up yourself. Big up yourselves. Yes, guys.
Maureen.
Big up yourself. Althea. Big up yourself, huh?
Althea.
Yeah, man.
Angela.
Angela Wright, big up yourself. Gloria, big up yourself. Big up on all self, you see. Yeah, now we see the comment. Now the finally I see the comment.
Oh.
Yes, guys, so we're just out and about, you know, exploring
Yep.
a little bit, yeah. Out and about, yeah. Out and about, and we just come on to show y'all, get a little peek of what we up to. And we're now at the Eiffel Tower. We're leaving tomorrow to another country. So, yeah, leaving tomorrow for another country. So when we get at the other country that we're gonna be in. Yeah, you don't want to put it on people. You don't know if the people that want
I was
to
showing the
camera.
building.
Oh, okay. That's what I just said.
No, I was showing the
Yeah.
building. I wasn't showing people.
Yeah, we're gonna be in that other country for more days than we're here. So we'll come on and spend some more time and show you guys more of what we're up to. Yes. When I see the kids them earlier, no, I forgot about go watch.
Yeah,
them.
man, they were
Yeah,
bigging
man.
up. Bigging up Planka Boss.
We're going to the Alma Bridge after
Yes.
this, where you can put locks on the bridge with your name. Yeah, they call it the Bridge of Love.
The Bridge of Love, yep.
So we're going to put a lock on the bridge with the Planka Boss name on it.
Yep.
Yes.
Special lock.
Upset them more. Upset them more. That's what we do. Upset people with love. Upset people with love.
Kill them with love.
Kill them with, yes. Upset people with love.
When they hate, you turn up the love.
When they eat with love. When them talk, we pay no mind.
We pay no attention.
Yes.
When I look.
Now look. Oh my God. When I see how we loving somebody, I put somebody above we self.
Right.
Or we worship them.
No,
I
sir.
think them a God. Joke with people. I guess you can't
Yes,
show
we're
no
in Paris.
love.
We're in Paris.
Uh-huh.
Somebody asked if we're in Paris.
Yes, we are in Paris.
Paris.
People upset because we are show love. And I forgot stay upset because we're not
stop.
going nowhere near it. You understand?
we're not
We're
stop.
allergic to it.
Yep. Hate and we don't get along.
We are allergic. Thanks everyone who shared the tribute that we are gonna be doing for our auntie. Thanks everyone that share it. Yes, and thanks to everyone who's anticipating and who's gonna come and participate.
Yes.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
It's gonna be an amazing day.
It's called She Deserves It.
Yep.
And when I take it back.
Nope.
Yes. She deserves it. No, take it back. Yes. And it's a perfect month to do it too because it's Black Easter month. I never even thought about that. But it's a perfect month to do it. Black Easter month. Why can't we celebrate our own without people thinking you're worship or idolizing somebody? Yeah? And if you stay loyal and if you're loyal to somebody, them say,
Yeah.
you what?
Kiss some ass,
Yeah, kiss ass.
and y'all look clothed.
And y'all look clothes and all of that.
All of them sitting there. You can't just love somebody
You
just
can't
because of who they are.
You can't celebrate somebody. What do good?
Right.
I what do them?
What's wrong with them?
I what do them?
Whoa.
I what do them, I what do them? I what do them, I what do them? Hey, I what do them, I what do them? Yes, I what do them. Yes. Yes, pick up yourself, Nadine. Carol James, Nadine Brown, Sharna. Big up on herself. Sometimes the
Say
comment
it
them
again.
stick
Plank a boss to the flipping world.
to the world. And then
the
so me make
world.
the people in a parish shout out the plank about so wonderful.
Yeah. Love you
Wonderful.
guys too, kings
Love
and
you
queens.
too, love you too. And it's for free.
Free.
It's for free. For free. Yeah. Free.
Free, not
Who not
charged.
like it?
Bite
Bite
it.
it. Abe, she gonna have a lock
In
in
the
a Paris.
Paris. We'll make sure of that.
We'll make sure of that when we left here.
We're showing you.
Every country we go, we're left sitting with
We're
her.
left
Members,
a representation of DMG.
DMG.
Yeah?
To the world.
Yeah.
Why we don't want to see people from we look like we come from a country. Why? We get up and we celebrate people when they look like we, not care about we, not do nothing for we. And it's all good. But once we love upon one of our own, we're kiss us.
Right. And a look close.
We're look clouds. Oh no, make over a cloud business.
Long time.
Yeah, go down there. Go down there. We can. I don't really care about going down there. So, no. Yeah, I don't really care for that. No. Yeah, once you give somebody credit where credit is due, you kiss us. You put them above yourself. You worship them. You this, you that.
Them say yeah, going
Say
like
all
them
you
a God.
want. Say all you want.
You can't just love somebody.
Say all you want. Say all you want. All you want. No, don't chat yet. Big up the young man again. Big up. I hope you're not listening to what these naysayers are saying.
Don't let them
We
stop
can't wait
you.
for you to reach a Canada so we can pull up. Because we can pull up a Canada too.
Yeah?
We can pull up. We have the blue book. We go anywhere in the world. We can pull up. Yes. No excuses. We can pull up.
And we're not afraid to pull up.
Yes. Yes. Big up on yourself. You hear? Yeah. Big up on yourself. That's all I have to say.
Let's say fast forward the date.
Fast forward.
The date.
Yeah. Big up on yourself, yeah? We're not in a bugger talk business,
No.
you understand? We're in a bugger talk business. I understand. That's why some people live for the bugger talking and them evilness. Yeah. Can't bother with them foolishness there. Life too short.
Yeah.
You understand?
You only live once, so you have to
Life
live
is
it to the
too
fullest.
short
Of course.
for indulge in a foolishness.
And negativity.
Yeah. So many of us women out there go through so many things. You understand? Some of we fall in love with men, then get up them cheap and we, then get up and do all sort of all manner of evil to we. Women go missing all the time, little young girls.
Hurt. They get hurt.
Heartbreak, rape, abuse.
Yep.
And when we have somebody that come and help people, we could have just think about themselves, you know, and gain whatever them want and not look at no one. But she look out for people, change them life, put a roof over them head, food in them belly.
Yes.
And we can't see the beauty in that. Then tell me who the hell are we? Huh? Who the hell are we?
Right.
That we can look on something like that and be proud of it.
And celebrate
We
somebody
have to
who's
try
doing
to
so much
paint to
good.
somebody in an evil person just because when I like them. It's okay enough you like somebody, but move on, man.
To live on a person every day, day and
Suck
night.
it up and ride on.
Right.
Yes. Yeah, move on. And when I say everybody I feel like her, but move the hell on. Move the hell on and find
Just to
something better
drag
to
on
do.
the woman coattails, so. Try to pull her down.
Let go for the woman baggy.
Yeah. Crazy.
Yeah.
This woman live her
Like me
life.
say me not going back and forth with nobody and a tit for tat. Me come out here when them chew the eat, me a chew the
Show the
love.
love, yep.
Who not like it,
Fight it.
bite it. Next. 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 Bite it. Next. Next. And I bet if they were doing the things that she was doing, they would want people to support them.
And
You
highlight
understand?
them.
And highlight them. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, me
Talk
not,
about
me
the
not
good
be in
people.
some of the shoes and I do what them I do to see the
See
beauty in what them I do. That's
Right.
the difference between chocolate and vanilla. Who not like it, suck it up and drive on.
Move on. Yeah. Yep.
Suck it up, drive on. Yeah. Yeah, people. So when time we reach at the bridge and I go put on the lock on the bridge, we got the Alma Bridge. We'll come back, alright?
Yeah.
So you can see, we drop on the DMG lock on that bridge here
the
in
Alma
Paris.
Bridge.
Big
Yep.
up my sister every time. Love you.
Always.
For free.
Free.
Remember that.
Free, we say.
Yeah.
Love you, DMG. Love you, kings and queens.
Love on the kings and queens.
We'll be
Yeah.
back.
Big up on a nice, clean art itself.
That's
Big
right.
up on yourself, yeah? Yes. Big up on yourself. Let love rule all the time.
Yes.
Yeah. Alright.
All
Now
right.
watch not me, I gotta put on my coat.
Yeah, man.
Me I get cold. Me I gotta put on my coat. Yeah. Are you ready for roll?
All right.
Alright.
We'll be back again.
Alright, we'll be back. Little
Bye-bye.
more.